Namaste, welcome to Sigma IAS, especially for UPSC students. One of the important paper is CSAT. Of course, it may be qualifying paper, but even though most of the students are failed in second paper CSAT, Civil Services Aptitude Test. So in preliminary level, two exams are there, two papers are there. First one is the General Studies, that is scoring paper, and the second one is CSAT, Civil Services Aptitude Test. It is a combination of aptitude, reasoning, and also general English. It's maybe qualifying paper, but it is also one of the important topic. So it is a combination of aptitude and reasoning and also general English. So now, within short period, we are going to start the new batch for UPSC Civil CSAT. So day by day, the competition is increased. Day by day in the UPSC examination, the question levels are increased. Nowadays, it is almost equal to CAT examination level. Aptitude and reasoning. So first of all, what is aptitude and what is reasoning? What is aptitude and what is reasoning? Aptitude is depend on three topics: numbers, mathematical operations, and also formulas. And the reasoning, it is a new topic. The aptitude already covered in your primary school and also high school. Your background, whatever it may be, in the intern degree, you may be non-maths students, even though up to 10th, maths is one of the compulsory topic. So up to 10th class, maths topics are aptitude topics. And the reasoning, it is a new topic. It is not covered in primary school or high school or inter or degree or PG. It is a new topic for all competitive students. Okay. So now, how to become a master in aptitude and reasoning? So totally generally here, the questions are divided into three types. The first one is number-based questions. The second one is letter-based questions. The third one is general questions. What is a number-based question? If your final answer is a number, that is a number-based question. All aptitude topics, time and distance, time and work, average, ratio and proportion, percentages, profit and loss, simple interest, compound interest, mensuration, 2D, 3D, permutation, combination, probability, simple interest and compound interest, all are part of number-based question. And also some topics in reasoning, that is number series, number analysis, number classification. These all are belongs to number-based questions. Okay, then how to become a master in number-based questions? Now, I don't want to take any new chapter, but now in this video, I will discuss only basic points. What are the important? So these points are very, very important for aptitude reasoning. So the first one is basic number system. Basic number system. What is the basic number system? You should know the different types of numbers. What is a natural number, whole number, even number, odd number, prime number, composite number, divisibility last two digit. These all belongs to, these are part of basic number system. We will discuss each and every point topic in the future classes. The next one is 1 to 60 squares are important. 1 to 60 squares. You need not to have the squares. Some wonderful tips are there. In the Vedic maths, wonderful techniques are there. The part of research syllabus, I will discuss Vedic maths also. The part of Vedic maths, with the help of Vedic maths, you can increase your calculation speed. Without using calculator, you can increase your calculation speed also. Now you may be poor in maths, even though with the help of the support of Vedic maths, no doubt you will become a speedier than maths background students. So 1 to 60 squares. Third one, 1 to 20 cubes also important. 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64, up to 20 cubes are important. And the fourth one is 1 to 20 tables. Today, most of the students don't know the tables. They are not. They don't know the tables. They know up to 1 to 10 tables only. But math bad students also don't know the tables. From 11 to 20, they are very poor. But we have one wonderful technique with the support of Vedic math. Maximum 2 to 3 minutes, not more than 3-4 minutes. You can learn the tables also. Not only 1 to 20, 1 to 100 tables also very easy. Within 5 minutes, easily you can learn the table from 1 to 100. Then next one, fifth one is below 100 prime numbers. Below 100 prime numbers also important. What is prime number? A number which is not divisible by any other number except 1 in itself. That is known as prime number. What is the first prime number? 2. Next, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. These all are prime numbers. Below 100 prime numbers are important. The next one is the sixth point. What is the sixth point? You know, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. You know these 4 mathematical operations, but you should become speeder than calculator. With the help of the Vedic math, easily you will become a speeder than calculator or at least equal to calculator also. Within seconds you will get the answer. Then finally, formulas also very important. Formulas. You are very good in addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. But without formula, there is no use. Formulas also very important. So if you are good in these 7 points, the total number-based questions are very easy. Then what is the second one? Letter-based questions. Letter-based questions. Letter. Letter means which language? English language. The questions are depend on English alphabets only. For example, letter series, letter analysis, letter classification, coding and decoding are depend on English alphabets only. The command and English alphabets also very important. Of course, you can read the letters from A to Z, you can write also, but not only reading and writing. A to Z alphabets position numbers are important. A to Z alphabets of position numbers. What is the meaning of position number? In English, A is the first letter, so A position is 1, B is the second letter, B position is 2, C is the third letter, C position is 3, and up to Z. Up to Z, Z is the 26th letter, so Z position is 26. Second one, A to Z alphabets, reverse position numbers. What is the reverse position number? In English, A is the 26th letter from last. So therefore, A reverse position is 26. B is the 25th letter from last. B reverse position is 25. C is the 24th letter from last. Therefore, C reverse position number is 24. And up to Z. Z is the first letter from last. Therefore, Z reverse position number is 1. And the next one is A to M alphabets reverse position letter. Up to Z is not important, up to M only. A to M reverse position letters. What is the meaning of reverse position letter? Reverse position letter, A is the first letter. A reverse position is first letter from last, that is Z. If A reverse position is Z, no doubt Z reverse position is also A. B is the second letter, its reverse position is Y. Y reverse position is B. Up to M, M is the 13th letter, N is the 13th letter from last. M reverse position is N, N reverse position is M. So here only 13 pairs of letters are there. 13 pairs of letters. So okay, so M is the 13th letter. If you know from A to M, the remaining are very easy, just reverse. And finally, the last one is the fourth point. The vowels in English alphabets. Already you know that is A, E, I, O, E. So the letter-based questions, series, analogy, classification, and coding and decoding are depend on English alphabets. If you are good in these points, and these letter-based questions are very easy. And finally, third one is a general question. What is general question? The question is not depend on numbers or letters. Neither numbers or not letters. Example, blood relations, sitting arrangement, syllogism, and some other topics are there. Here we have different basics for each and every topic. In future classes, I will discuss each and every one. So, and if you want to attend the CSAT classes, please call to the number. The number is here on the screen. So, please call the number and register your number, register your name. Thank you.